The SAP Experience Center is a state-of-the-art innovation space with endless capabilities to highlight SAP's power as a portfolio company and puts the strength of our ecosystem in the spotlight.
So this is our fictitious company, Trilogy. It looks like a real fashion company.
Fashion is one of the biggest polluters from landfills. Whereas we made them more sustainably, then you could actually compost them.
We need to move beyond transparency to commitment and accountability, and that's what we're seeing all around.
One of the things that I really took away is how important the rich storytelling is to sort of have these things not just be ideas, but become implementable in the real world.
Storytelling is super important, and whatever we create there, also technology like fancy effects, the most important aspect is the storytelling.
It's really connecting the dots between how do we source and develop products to how do we actually make it easier for customers to be sustainable, to live those values, and the technology enables us to do that.
One of the biggest takeaways I've learned from this experience, it's really about the little choices that we make in everyday life that contribute to our overall understanding and really importance of sustainability.
The Experience Centers with its value storytelling app combines the digital and physical world, and tours can be individually adapted to the needs of your customers and prospects.
They are setting the stage for others within the technology space, and I look forward to what's in store.
Sustainability is not just a goal, but it's a mindset and it's a value, and it's cool to see it here at SAP.
Explore our SAP Experience Centers and get inspired by our intelligent, sustainable enterprise.